Welcome everyone to Back to School Night 2020 to 2021. This is our Math 7 co-taught class. I am Mrs. Gregorio.
And I'm Mr. Ghaul.
And we teach first and second period together and period 3-4.
So a little bit about me. I was born and raised in the great state of New Jersey. That is 2,400 miles east of us. My educational background, I have a bachelor's of education at East Stroudsburg University, which is located in Pennsylvania, and I earned my master's degree at Cal State Fullerton. I've been teaching for roughly 9 years now. I think this is going to officially be my 10th year. And some of my hobbies and interests involve anything that is a board. I love to skateboard, snowboard, surf, all that good stuff. When I'm not doing that, I'm either golfing, hiking, or watching sports.
All right. And this is a little bit about me. I have been married for 7 years, and my husband and I have 2 children. We currently live in Huntington Beach, but we're from the high desert. I graduated from Cal State Long Beach with a bachelor's degree in liberal studies and a concentration in math. And then I went to Concordia University in Irvine for my master's in curriculum and instruction. This is my 12th year teaching, but my 7th year at Warner. Prior to that, I was an elementary school teacher. My hobbies and interests include writing and calligraphy. So a couple years ago, I started a calligraphy club. I also help with choir clubs since I like to play the piano. And I'm also into home design and cooking.
Effort is key in our co-taught math class. Pretty much the number one thing that I always preach in class is I want to see evidence of effort. We're looking for every student to put forth a special effort in class. We want to see that you're implementing the knowledge that we've provided and you're trying to solve for the correct answer. We always want to see every student in class trying their best, and the best way for them to do that is showing us through their homework, their assignments, that they are working out the problems on paper and not on their head, so they can show us that they know how to follow the steps to get the correct answer.
Okay. So the way students can show evidence of effort is through 4 main categories. The first one is through chapter tests, and those are weighted at 25% of their grade. Quizzes will be given twice throughout each chapter, at the halfway point and at the end of each chapter. Those are 15% of their grade. And then whole class activities, that's called our synchronous instruction. That is worth 30% of their grade. And independent work such as homework and the Monday assignments, their asynchronous work is worth 25% of their grade. We really encourage that parents and students monitor their grades daily by checking in on the Jupiter Grades website.
So we have our content and standards broken out into the 3 trimesters that we have every year. Hopefully, it is our hope by trimester 2 that we're actually in a hybrid model. But for right now, we're going to focus just on trimester 1. All of the students are going to be learning about integers, rational numbers, and expressions and equations. These 3 things are very important when it comes to building a solid foundation that provides them or prepares them for 8th grade and moving on into high school. Trimester 2, hopefully that's the time that we actually get to be back in the classroom working with the students and having half of them be in school and the other half digital. That will be working with inequalities, ratios and proportions, and percents. Those 6 chapters are the most important. We really focus and spend a lot of time working in those chapters. When we move into trimester 3, that is kind of our beginning, or the segue for the students, you could say, moving into 8th grade. That's kind of where they're going to get their feet wet, their understanding of constructions and scale drawings. They'll learn about circles and area, finding the surface area and volume of objects, and they'll get a little bit of probability and statistics to round out the year. So this is pretty much our overall picture, our roadmap, you could say, as to what your student will be learning for the next 3 trimesters.
Great. So we really want to thank you for your partnership. We wouldn't be able to do virtual learning without your support. So thank you to our parents and guardians who are here helping us. We really encourage you to communicate with us if you have any questions or concerns. Jupiter, message us. That might be the easiest way. But if you prefer email, you can email either of us. I'm C. Gregorio at wsdk8.us. And Mr. Ghaul is dghaul@wsdk8.us. So we want to thank you for watching our presentation, and we look forward to meeting you soon. Bye.